a website to find the asset for game. It called this it's.io game asset, and you can choose the free one. I have find the good one for our game, this one. So I will show you how to get this asset. Just click this. Okay, next we'll find the download button. Click this one, and you can change this 0 and click this one, or yeah, just take me to download. Okay, this is the Godot project, so we will download this one and save into our download folder. Okay, we can wait this one. So the download process is finished. We can extract our asset, and we can see this is the example. Which one? Maybe we can choose this. No, we can try to open with the browser. There's no the browser here. So I have make it to open in Google Chrome. So this is the example. The example 2. The example 3. Okay. So we are going to find the asset for the character. This is the actor. Character. Where is we will find like walking like that one. Okay, so there are so many character. Let's open this. Okay, maybe where is find the green demon or ninja, yellow ninja. Okay. Somewhere skeleton green ninja. Okay, this is what we want to use. So now I will show you how to split this spreadsheet into make it can be used in Scratch. So just type in your browser sprite split online splitter online. You can try this one. Okay, go to download and go to our sprite. Just the green ninja for walking. Let's upload. By tile size, getting me to by number of column. So there are 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so 4 times 4. Output as a PNG and hit cut. We are going to use download SD frame as zip, and we can rename first and then hit save. Okay, let's see the result. Go to download, and this one we want to extract, so we'll extract it to work folder. Okay, now let's try to edit in our sprite. So we are going to delete this sprite and upload our sprite to download. Work at 0. Okay, so if we want to add to have the animation, we can go to customs and upload the rest of sprite. Okay, let's see the spreadsheet again. Go to the character, Green Ninja. Okay, so this is now walking to the front, this is to the left, to the right, and this is to the up direction. Okay, we can see in our folder, so our sprite fast to left in tiles number 2, 6, 10 and 14. To the front 0, 4, 8 and 12. Okay, so let's add all into our sprite. 0 and then 4. Okay, and then H, and then 12. Okay, now fast to the back. 1, and then 5. Next 9 and 13. Okay, now to the left 2, 5, oh, I think it's not 5. Okay, let's delete first. Number 2 and number 6, and then number 10 and that's number 14. Okay, the last one to the right side 3 and 7 and 11, and finally the last one 15. Okay, we have all of the direction. So now let's add the algorithm for our sprite. Let's change the name to the character. Okay. In Scratch, whenever we want to add the algorithm, we go to this event category and add this block. Whenever we click this, so the block will be executed. And then we want to add the forever. So our code will be executed forever whenever we hit the green flag. And we want to add the if condition. Okay, and add the sensing block whenever we press the button. Okay, like the down arrow. Okay, and then we want to change the custom. Okay, so the first custom is 0 and 4 and 8 and 12. Okay, go to 0, duplicate, and 4, duplicate, 8, duplicate, and 12. So let's see. Okay, let's add the weight. Zero 0.3. Duplicate. If you want to delete, you can just click delete button, or you can just drag to the block pane. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, it's already working. Next, we want to add the another condition for another direction, down and to the up. The up costume is 1, 5, 9, 13. 1, 5, 9, and 13. Okay, we add another one for the left side, 2, 6, 10, 14. So to the left row, 2, 6, 10, and 14. The last one for the right row. Okay, let's see. 3, 7, 11, and 15. 3 and 7 and 11 and 15. So let's see the result. I press down, left, and up, and right, down, okay, left. Nice. Next, we want to, I will explain you in next video how to find the sprite for the maze, which is the background for our backdrop. So see you in the next video.